Since 2004, Aratek has been leading the way in biometrics and security, empowering millions worldwide to manage their digital identities with greater ease and efficiency. Our top-quality biometric products and solutions are trusted by government, finance, education, healthcare, and many other industries. They all turn to Aratek to solve their most complex identity management challenges, ensuring security and making operations smoother at every stage. Why Aratek? It starts with our professional design and engineering. Whether it's biometric mobile ID devices, fingerprint scanners, or facial recognition systems, every product we create is engineered with one goal in mind: to solve real-world problems with real-world solutions, ensuring our innovations meet the demands of today and tomorrow. Next, our efficient manufacturing and assembly capabilities ensure we can meet even the most difficult delivery deadlines. With scalable capacity, we always ensure that your orders are delivered on time, every time. Quality is our hallmark. With quality-assured products, at all times, nothing leaves our plant without passing through rigorous testing and quality control, guaranteeing you get nothing but the best. And we stand by you every step of the way. Our efficient support is there from design to manufacturing, all the way through the logistics. With Aratek, you have a partner who ensures everything happens seamlessly, even in the most challenging environments. Aratek, powering a safer, more efficient world with biometric solutions that you can trust. Choose Aratek. Choose excellence.